Dear students, day 22 is going on. The topic is differentiability. The topic is differentiability. In previous class, we have discussed level 1 and concept and theory also. Let us discuss now level 2. Let us discuss level 2. First question. F of x is equal to minus 1 by 2 x square minus 1 by 2 x square for x less than 1 and 3 by 2 x square plus 1 for x greater than or equal to 1. 3 by 2 x square plus 1 x greater than or equal to 1. Then according to options we should calculate. According to options everything f dash 1 plus 1 minus like that will be given. Now x less than 1 means this is left neighborhood of 1 and x greater than 1 means this is right neighborhood of 1. So f dash of 1 minus, according to option I am verifying, f dash of 1 minus meaning you have to calculate the derivative here. Minus 2x by 2, 2 to get cancelled, that is equal minus x, that is equal to minus 1. According to options we have to substitute 1 here. Now f dash of 1 plus, f dash of 1 plus meaning 3 by 2 into 2x plus 0, 2 to get cancelled, that is equal to 3x, that is equal to 3 into 1 equal to 3. Therefore f dash of 1 minus answer minus 1 and f dash of 1 plus answer is 3. Option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3. Now let us discuss second question. I'll say all bits in level 2. Let us some bits level 3 we can discuss. Now second question, f of x is equal to x root x by x plus 2. F of x is equal to x root x by x plus 2. Then derivative of f of x at x equal to 0 he is asking. Derivative of f of x at x equal to 0. So find f dash 0. No need to calculate the topic of differentiable, whether it is differentiable or not. Simply he given that f dash 0. So f dash x you calculate. U by v whole dash formula, vu dash minus uv dash by v square. Use the formula vu dash minus uv dash by v square. So x plus 2 into x root x can be understood as x power 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 derivative you can understand 3 by 2 into x power 1 by 2. According to x power n formula n into x power n minus 1 minus here x root x into x plus 2 derivative 1 whole by x plus 2 whole square. Whole by x plus 2 whole square. Now substitute here 0 instead of x. So this is 0 into anything 0 minus 0 by 4. Answer is 0. F dash of 0. F dash 0 equal to 0 answer here. Now third question. Let f comma g be differentiable functions satisfying g of a is equal to b. Satisfying g of a is equal to b and g dash of a is equal to. G dash of a is equal to 2 and f circle g is equal to identity. So f circle g is equal to given value f circle g of x. F circle g of x is identity of x. I of x meaning identity of x is nothing but x. So f circle g of x is equal to, this is an identity theorem in functions chapter. F circle g of x equal to x. Now you write here differentiating both sides with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. After writing f of g of x. F of g of x is equal to x. Now diff both sides. The derivative of this one you can understand f dash of g of x into g dash x is equal to 1. Now put a here. Put x is equal to a. Then you will be reading f dash of g of a. F dash of g of a into g dash a is equal to 1. Instead of g dash a given as 2. Now f dash of g of a meaning b and this is 2 is equal to 1. Therefore f dash of b is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the correct answer. F dash of b only is asking. 1 by 2 first option. Let us see fourth question. f of x is equal to x square mod x. F of x is equal to x square mod x. Then the set of values where f of x is 3 times differentiable. Of course, if we can understand, if x greater than 0, f of x is equal to modulus of x becomes x cube. If x is equal to 0, of course x square, this becomes f of x equal to 0. If x less than 0, f of x can be understood as minus x cube. X cube derivative is 3x square, 3x square derivative is 6x, 6x derivative is 6. Exactly 3 times it is differentiable. So the definition also 0 whenever you are substituting x 0 plus it becomes 0, 0 value 0, 0 minus is 0. It is continuous and differentiable everywhere. Differentiable everywhere. Of course, he given differentiable everywhere. That everywhere meaning according to options here, this exists for infinite points. Yes, he given option 1 as infinite points. Next, fifth question. If f of x is equal to p mod sin x, f of x equal to p mod sin x plus q e power modulus x, q e power modulus x plus r modulus x cube, r modulus x cube. And f of x is differentiable at x equal to 0, then what is the value according to options? Now, if x greater than 0, what he is asking? Differentiable at x equal to 0. So, LHD and RHD let us verify. If x is equal to 0, let x greater than 0. So, take positive neighborhood. So, p into sin x positive plus q into e power x, this is positive, plus rx cube. Next, if x less than 0, f of x you can write as this is minus p sin x, this is plus q e power minus x, this is minus r x cube. Now, by condition we have LHD equal to RHD, that too at 0. So f dash of 0 minus is equal to f dash of 0 plus. First let us write 0 plus and 0 minus like this. Now calculate the derivative of sin x here at x plus 0. I mean 0 plus p cos x here plus q into e power x derivative e power x plus r into this is 3rx square. That is equal to, here we can apply limit x tends to 0 minus. I mean that is of course nothing but 0. Limit x tends to 0 minus. Calculating here p cos x minus p cos x minus q e power minus x minus 3rx square minus 3rx square. Substitute the value 0 here. P cos 0 1, this is p plus q into e power 0 1, this is 0 is equal to, this is minus p minus q minus 0. So minus p plus q taken this side, it becomes 2 into p plus q equal to 0. Therefore, p plus q equal to 0 or p is equal to minus q. So p is equal to minus q, here r got cancelled. That is why you can say that r belongs to real number. That is, r is any real number. Any real number, or r exists for infinite values. Given r is any real number, second option. Now, let us see sixth question. F of x is equal to minus 3x plus 2, x less than 1. Minus 3x plus 2, x less than 1, 1 by 2 x square plus 7, 1 by 2 x square plus 7, x greater than or equal to 1. Then which of the following is not true? Everything option given in the process of f dash of 1 to 1 minus. So let us write f dash of 1 minus. Take left neighborhood. F dash of 1 minus is minus 3, x derivative 1. Next, f dash of 1 plus. So this is 1 by 2 into x square derivative 2x 1 by 2 into 2x, so x substitute 1 here. So f dash of 1 plus is equal to 1 and f dash of 1 minus equal to minus 3. F dash of 1 plus 1 first option, 1 minus third equal to minus 3 second option, and f dash of 1 minus not differentiable at x equal to 1. Whenever this is not equal to this one, not differentiable. So first option, second option, fourth option are right. So third option is wrong. Wrong, we should calculate. Option 3 is wrong. Now seventh one, f of x is equal to x power 4 plus x square minus x minus 2 plus 2. X power 4 plus x square minus x plus 2, x less than or equal to 1, and 3x cube minus x square, 3x cube minus x square plus x. This is x greater than 1. According to option, it is asking continuous differentiable like this. Continuous also given, that is why we can understand LHL equal to RHL. Let us verify. I am not sure whether it is equal or not. Let us verify LHL equal to RHL. LHL meaning limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. Let us verify this one. 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2. 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Answer 3. Next RHL. RHL meaning here limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. So 3 minus 1 plus 1, that is also 3. So LHL equal to RHL. You can understand f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. It's okay. Question given, whenever 1 only given continuous, everywhere you can write option 1 is right. Now discuss about differentiable. LHD, let us calculate. 4x cube plus 2x minus 1. Substitute x is equal to 1 here. So 4 plus 2 minus 1 is 5. 4 plus 2 minus 1 is 5. Next let us calculate RHD. So here this can be written as 9x square minus 2x plus 1. X is equal to 1, you substitute 9 minus 2 plus 7. So this is 8. 5 not equal to 8. So it is not differentiable. According to option, simply continuous everywhere is right answer. Seventh question, first option. Now eighth question. F of x is equal to at point 1 x equal to 1 he given x square minus 1. F of x equal to x square minus 1 for 1 less than x less than infinity. And x minus 1 minus infinity less than x less than 1. Continuous and not differentiable, continuous and differentiable like that given. Let us discuss continuous. F of limit x tends to 1 plus f of x equal to 1 minus 1, 0. It is continuous, right? Now limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to also 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous at x equal to 1. It's okay. And let us discuss about differentiable. LHD. So LHD means 2x at 2, that is 2 into 1 equal to 2. Now let us discuss RHD. X derivative 1. So 2 not equal to 1. Therefore f is not differentiable. Continuous but not differentiable. So f is continuous but not differentiable is correct option, second option. Now let us discuss ninth question. This is very easy question. F of x is equal to sin 4 pi into step x. F of x equal to sin 4 pi into step x by 1 plus step x whole square. Sin 4 pi into step x by 1 plus step x whole square, where step x is greatest integer less than or equal to 1. let us discuss one thing regarding domain and range of step x. Domain of step x. Domain of step x equal to R. Any real value you can substitute. And the range is equal to Z. Example, you are taking 2.9, that is 2.9 is real number and the range is 2. It is only integer. If you are taking minus 7.9, minus 7.9 is real number and you are getting minus 8, that is integer. So even though you are substituting real number, you will get always integer is range. We know that, and again concept I want to discuss with you that sin n pi equal to 0, where n belongs to z. Sin 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, anything, if you are substitute any value here, you will be getting integer and sin n pi equal to 0. So f of x becomes always 0. You substitute any value, no problem, you will get a 0 only. So like that, the option he given LHD at x equal to 0 and RHD at x equal to 1 equal to 0. Not only x equal to 0 or x equal to 1, you take any real number, always you will get the answer 0 only. That is why, to make us confused, he did not give LHD at x equal to 0 and RHD at x equal to 0, he did not give. LHD at x equal to 0 and RHD at x equal to 1, he given to make us confused. Never get confused, students. Everywhere it is continuous, everywhere it is, the answer is differentiable. So option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Now, 10th question. The function y is equal to modulus of x minus 1 is differentiable for all real numbers except what is the points. Let us discuss y is equal to, if I am writing, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. If x is equal to minus 1, y equal to 0. And let us write the value like this. 0, 0, at 1, minus 1 also we got 0. For x equal to 0, y equal to 1. For this one, this minus 1. If you draw a curve like this, this is sharp edge, sharp corner. This is sharp corner. This is sharp corner. For a straight line or any curve, if it is having sharp edges or sharp corner, at the points, that is not differentiable. So at 0, 1, minus 1, f of x is not differentiable. F of x is not differentiable. He given the answer as is differentiable for all real numbers except. So at this point this is not differentiable. Everywhere it is differentiable. Like this, so many points are there. It is okay. But sharp corner, at the sharp corner, it is not differentiable. Now, 11th question. F maps R to R. F maps R to R even is an even function which is a twice a differentiable function on R, such that f is even function. This is main. F is even function such that f dash of pi is equal to 1. F dash of pi equal to 1, then what is the value of f dash of minus pi equal to dash? F dash of minus f double dash, not f dash, f double dash. Let, here you can understand one thing. If f of x is an even function, then f dash x is odd function. F double dash x is even function. So f of x is equal to x power 4. I am thinking this is even. Even function meaning if you are substituting f of minus x, you will get f of x. A function f maps A to be said to be an even function if f of minus x equal to f of x. The function f maps A to be said to be odd function if f of minus x equal to minus f of x. So here f of x equal x power 4 is even. Now f dash x you calculate. F dash x equal to 4x cube. Now f double dash x we need. F double dash x equal to 12x square. This is also even. So if you are substituting minus also no problem. You will be getting the same answer 12x square. Therefore, if f double dash of pi is equal to 1, that implies f double dash of minus pi also 1 because it is even function. Now, third option. 11th question, third option. Let us discuss 12th question. 12th one, a function f of x, y equal to f of x defined by x is equal to 2t minus mod t. X is equal to 2t minus mod t, comma, y is equal to t square plus t mod t. T square plus t mod t. Where t belongs to R. According to options, we should verify using x and y. If, right here, t greater than 0. X is equal to 2t minus t. So x is equal to t. Here if t greater than 0, y is equal to t square plus t square. So y is equal to 2t square. That implies here x equal to t, substitute here y equal to 2x square. Y equal to 2x square is a parabola. Without lifting the pen, we can write y equal to 2x square is parabola. So it is continuous and differentiable. Okay. Next case 2. This is case 1. Case 2. If t less than 0, x is equal to 2t minus of minus becomes plus t, and y is equal to t square minus t square. So y equal to 0. X equal to 3t. X is equal to 2t minus t, t square plus here, plus. Yes. If it is negative, then minus t only, t square minus t square, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3t. Let us verify one. T less than 0, yes, y is equal to 0 for all x less than 0, y is equal to 0 for x is equal to 3t. Okay, if y is equal to 0, let us write for t less than 0. If x is equal to t, now you can write t is equal to x by 3. If t less than 0, that is x less than 0. For all x less than 0, you can understand y is equal to 0. For all negative values, y is equal to 0 is nothing but x-axis. X-axis. So x-axis for all negative values, it is nothing but x-axis. Axis is continuous without lifting the pen, you can draw. So it is continuous. Continuous, and this is also y is equal to x square, continuous. If you are substituting same y equal to 0 here, if we put x is equal to 0, y dy by dx is equal to 4x here. If you put the value 0, because 0 minus 0 plus concept, y is equal to, let us write dy by dx equal to here. Dy by dx equal to 4x. Taking derivative, dy by dx equal to 4x. At x greater than 0, I mean 0 plus, here x greater than 0, concept t greater than 0, dy by dx is equal to 0. That is 0 plus. Here 0 minus concept y is equal to 0. 0 derivative is always 0, constant derivative. So it is differentiable and continuous both. At 0 it should be given, but according to option given as first option continuous and differentiable in minus 1, 1. The value 0 exists between minus 1, 1. So 12th question is first option. Now 13th question. F of x is equal to minus 1. F of x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 0. Minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 0. Next, x square minus 1. X square minus 1, 0 less than x less than or equal to 2. 0 less than x less than or equal to 2. Now we need to calculate the number of points which g of x is non-differentiable. G of x given as modulus of f of x plus f modulus of x is non-differentiable, where the function non-differentiable. Now let us calculate. Let modulus of f of x, we need to calculate modulus of f of x. So at x, so total we can understand here modulus of minus 1, so 1 minus 2 less than x less than 0. This is x square minus 1, 0 less than x less than 2. Now f of modulus of x. Here f, not modulus of full f of x. F of modulus of x means you should consider only x, you should not consider constant. F of modulus of x is equal to x square minus 1. F of modulus of x, just 1 second. Here modulus f of x means another case should be there. Between 0 and 1 you substitute a value 0.5. 0.5 whole square minus 1 becomes negative value. So you can apply here 1 minus x square in between 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. Next, now you substitute the value between 1 and 2. Example 1.5. 1.5 whole square minus 1. 2.25 minus 1 becomes positive. So x square minus 1 original you can write here. 1 less than x less than or equal to 2. Now that is modulus of f of x. Now f of modulus of x. So f of modulus of x means simply for x only you take whatever the value he given directly. X square minus 1 between all, for everything, for everywhere, minus 2 less than x less than or equal to 2. 1 you should not add because this is only applicable for x. Now g of x is equal to, g of x is equal to, again you should add and you should write these both. G of x is equal to modulus of f of x plus f of modulus of x. Modulus of f of x plus f of modulus of x. Add this one and this one. 1 plus x square minus 1. Write like this. 1 plus x square minus 1. At minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 0. Next, 1 minus x square plus x square minus 1. At this one, 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. Next, x square minus 1 plus x square minus 1 yet 1 less than x less than 2. For everything this is okay, minus between minus 2 comma 2. But you can understand using this one and add this one according to f mod x and mod f of x. That is equal to x square minus 2 less than x less than 0. This full get cancelled. 0 less than x less than 1 and 2 into x square minus 1. 2 into x square minus 1 at 1 less than x less than 2. Now g of x we found. Which one? G of x, where the g of x is non-differentiable. Now this is g of x. Let us write g dash x. G dash x is equal to, that too, this one I am writing as 0 minus left neighborhood. This is 0 plus right neighborhood. This is 1 minus and this is 1 plus. G dash of x yet 0 minus I am writing 2x. So derivative is 2 into 0. That is equal to 0. Of course this is 0. It's okay. Next, g dash of x yet x is equal to, this is 0 minus 0 plus completed. 1 minus at x equal to 1 I am writing. So g dash of x is equal to, here also no, this is 2 into x square 4x. That implies 4 into 1. So this is 4. Here 0 not equal to 4. 0 not equal to 4. So at 1 x is equal to 1, this is not differentiable. At x is equal to 0 only this is differentiable. Given the option, once you verify students, exactly at 1 point. These questions are mains questions. Differentiable at x is equal to 0, that is only 1 point. How many points he asked? At only 1 point or exactly 1 point, the full g of x is differentiable. Now 13th question completed. Let us discuss 14th question. F of x is equal to step of cos pi x f of x is equal to step of cos phi x less than 1, x less than 1, and the modulus of x minus 2, modulus of x minus 2, 1 less than x less 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. This is the definition. You should take care about this sum. Discontinuous to non-differentiable. Okay, let us verify options. Total cases, how many cases are there? Let us discuss. We know that minus 1 less than or equal to cos theta less than or equal to 1. According to step cos phi x, we need to verify everything. Minus 1 less than or equal to cos theta less than or equal to 1. So, the similar way you can understand minus 1 less than or equal to cos pi x less than or equal to 1. Now, apply the step both sides. Minus 1, step minus 1 less than or equal to step cos pi x, step cos pi x less than or equal to 1. Here this meaning for step, this is okay. If you are substituting minus 1.9, the step is minus 2. If you are substituting minus 0.1, so the value minus 1 step is equal to is there, so minus 1. So chances to get x, chances to get x is equal to x is equal to between minus 1 comma 1. This is also 1. 1 also we get. Of course, the value should be less than 1. 1 we should not consider. Okay, minus 1 and 1. Now the cases will arise. If minus 1 less than x less than 1 by 2, x minus 1 less than x less than minus 1 by 2, minus 1 minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 1 like that we can consider. Minus 1 less than or equal to x less than minus 1 by 2. So what it becomes? F of x. And g of x, of course, this is modulus of x minus 2. You substitute the value between 1 and 2. Example 1.5. 1.5 minus 2 becomes minus 0.5. So you need to convert the modulus of x minus 2 in modulus 2 minus x. It is only applicable for 1 minus 1 less than x less than 2. You should write only modulus of only 2 minus x. But for step cos pi x, the cases, plenty of cases may arise. Modulus minus 1 less than x less than minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Substitute this any number between minus 1 and minus 1 by 2. Example minus 1 by 2 meaning minus 0.5. This is minus 1. Example, let us take minus 0.6. Minus 0.6 means 2 pi by 3. 2 by 3 means 0.6. So cos 2 pi by 3, you can understand x is equal to minus 0.6 I am writing. So cos 2 pi by 3. So 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Cos 2 pi by 3 meaning cos 2 pi by 3 meaning cos it is minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 meaning step 1 minus 1. So that is minus 1. Like that for every value we need to consider. Next, minus 1 by 2 between minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 0. So distributing like this between minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 0, 0 to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to 1 like that. And separate 0 also. Minus 1 by 2 between minus 1 by 2 and x less than 0, you take the value x is equal to minus 0.3. X equal to minus 0.3, can understand this is 1 by 3. Substitute x is equal to 1 by 3. Cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 becomes cos 60, 1 by 2, 0.5 step 0. 0.5 step 0. Now 0, simply x is equal to 0 I am writing. Then cos pi into 0 becomes cos 0. Cos 0 step value x is equal to 0. Cos 0 step value 1. Now 0 less than x less than 1 by 2. So x is equal to, you think this is 0.3. In the similar way, this is 0.3 means 1 by 3. 1.33. 1 by 3 means 0.33. Cos pi by 3 becomes, cos pi by 3 means 0.5. 1 by 2. 0.5 step 0. And 1 by 2 next. 1 by 2 less than x less than 1 by 2. Observe here minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 0 0 0 to 1 by 2 1 by 2 to 1. Now x is equal to 0 0.6, you think 0 0.6, so it is 2 by 3, so cos 2 pi by 3, cos 2 pi by 3 meaning again it is minus 1. Cos 2 pi by 3 means minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 means minus 0 0.5, step is minus 1. Now also this one you should write, f of x is equal to 2 minus x when 1 less than x less than 2, 1 less than equal to x less than 2. So this full definition is for f of x. This full definition is f of x. Now what we need to calculate? 13th question. No, this is 14th question. Discontinuous, non-differentiable for everything. Limit, let us discuss about continuous. Limit x tends to, let us verify first option. Discontinuous and non-differentiable x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus, like this should think this is minus 1 plus, minus 1 minus is not there, so no need to calculate. So minus 1 by 2 plus like this. So simply let us verify at 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. Of course, he did not give option regarding minus 1 by 2. So only let us verify at 1 by 2. Limit x tends to 1 by 2 minus. So 1 by 2 minus meaning this one. 1 by 2 plus meaning this one. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus f of x is equal to 1 by 2 left neighborhood is 0. And limit x tends to 1 by 2 plus, limit x tends to 1 by 2 plus f of x is right there with the minus 1. So 0 not equal to minus 1. We can conclude the student's option, maybe third option, let us discuss. Yes, because here x is, this is not continuous. This is not continuous. Yet x is equal to 1 by 2. Let us remember the formula. If a function is not continuous, for a function if the limit does not exist, it will never be differentiable. So it is not differentiable at x is equal to 1 by 2. Not differentiable. Not differentiable at x is equal to 1 by 2. Such model questions are important. This is very good question in mains concept. Now 14th question completed. Let us discuss 15th question. So each and every interval we need to calculate. After calculating each and every interval only we will get the answer. 15th question, f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, and f of x equal to 1 plus f of x is equal to 1 plus x into g small g x into capital G x. 1 plus small g x into g of x into g of x. Limit x tends to 0, g of x is equal to a. Limit x tends to 0, g of x is equal to a. And limit x tends to 0, capital G of x equal to b. Limit x tends to 0, capital G of x equal to b. Then what is the value of f dash x? Now let us calculate the derivative of this one, f dash x. I think you have remembered the concept of u v w dash. Of course, this is one derivative 0. u v dash, u v w whole dash formula, u dash v w plus u v dash w plus u v w dash. So first x derivative 1 into g of x into capital G of x plus this is x into small g dash x into capital G of x plus x into small g of x into this is capital G dash of x. Yet x is equal to 0 because limit x tends to 0, he given g of x equal to a. That is nothing but here you can understand g of 0 is equal to a, small g of 0 is equal to a, and capital G of 0 is equal to b. So at x is equal to 0, we can understand f dash 0 is equal to small g of 0 into capital G of 0 plus simply substitute 0 here, no need to calculate. So g of 0 into capital G of 0, AB. AB answer. AB into f of x given. f dash x formula 1 plus x into g of x into f dash x equal to 1 formula maybe we forgotten students. F dash x is equal to, at x equal to 0. Yes, before we discussed the formula in previous class. The formula of f dash 0 is equal to discussed as f of 0 into f dash x. F dash x into, just let us verify the formula. F of x into f, yes, f dash 0 equal to f of 0 into f of x. F dash x is equal to, let us see the formula, page number starting only. Already we proved also yesterday. In yesterday class we have discussed it. F dash of 0 is equal to f dash of x is equal, not 0. F dash of x is equal to f dash of 0 into f of x. Yes. So f dash of x is substitute here. F dash of 0. What is f dash of 0? Substitute here. So g of 0 into capital G of 0 plus all zeros into f dash x into f of x you need to write. So g of 0 here small a and this is small b into f of x. So ab into f of x is the right answer. Now level 2 16th question. F maps R to R by differentiable function such that f of x plus 2y. F of x plus 2y is equal to f of x plus f of x plus f of 2y plus f of 2y plus 4xy. F of x plus 2y given as f of x plus f of 2y plus 4xy for all xy belongs to R. Then according to option we should verify. So such model questions are important in JEE mains. Let us write here put, because for everything 0 0 he given. So put x is equal to 0 comma y is equal to 0. You may get here f of 0 plus 0 is equal to f of 0 plus f of 0 minus 0. So that implies you can understand f of 0 is equal to 2f of 0 minus 0. You should not get cancel this one, students. So taken this side 0 equal to f of 0. We got the answer f of 0 answer is 0. F of 0 answer 0 we got. Now f of x plus 2y. F of x plus 2y minus, let us write here minus f of 2y is equal to f of x plus 4xy. Now divide by if we take, okay, better to do 2y. Take here, this is x, this is 2y. Divide by f of 2y both sides. Yeah, it is better. Divide by f of 2y both sides. So f of x plus 2y minus f of x whole by f of 2y is equal to 1 plus 4xy by f of 2y. 4xy by f of 2y. So 2x plus f of 2y. Maybe you divide with the 2y. Let us verify. Let us see the question. F of x plus 2y is equal to f of x plus f of 2y given plus 4xy. F of x plus 2y. F of x plus 2y given. F of x plus 2y minus f of x. Let us consider f of 2y is wrong way. If we divide with the 2y, not f of 2y. Okay. This is better, students. F of 2y by 2y plus 4xy by 2y. This is 2x. Now we can understand that the limit x tends to limit formula y tends to 0. F of, consider this one as formula f of x plus h minus f of x whole by h. So y tends to 0. Of course 2y tends to 0. f of x plus 2y minus f of x whole by 2y is equal to here 2x plus f of 2y by y. F of 2y by 2y. So f of, now this is the formula of f of x plus h minus f of x by h concept, f dash h. So this is f dash of 2y. F dash of 2y equal to 2x plus f of 2y by 2y. Just once let us verify. F of 2y by 2y. Everything right. F of x plus 2y minus f of x is everything right. F dash x is equal to now 2xy by f of 2y by 2y. 2x plus f of 2y by y. F of x plus 2y minus 2x plus f of 2y. Now okay. 2x plus this one you can understand as yes, like this. This is the value you should get the idea. F of 2y minus f of 0 by 2y. Let us understand this is f dash 2y is equal to f dash of x, f of x plus 2y minus f of x by 2y, 2x plus this is okay, f dash of 2y we need to understand. Two x plus you can understand f of 2y plus 0 minus f of 0. So this is nothing but f dash 0. Yes, this is nothing but f dash 0. Because f of you can understand 2y plus 0. 0 plus 2y minus f of 0 by 2y. 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h. So f dash 0 is correct answer. Now f dash of what is 2y? Here you put 0. So f dash of 0 is equal to what we call f of 0 is equal to 1. F dash 0, maybe somewhere we are getting wrong. F dash x is equal to 2x plus f dash 0. Put x is equal to 1 here. Here we are getting wrong. F of x plus 2y is equal to, just once again let us verify the question, students. Sixteenth question. F of x plus 2y is equal to f of x plus f of 2y. F of x plus f of 2y plus 4xy. X equal to 0, y equal to 0, you substitute. So f of 0 is equal to f of 0 plus f of 0 plus 0. You can understand 2f of 0 minus f of 0 is equal to 0. Therefore f of 0 is equal to 0. Now f of x plus 2y minus f of 2y is equal to f of x plus 2y is equal to f of x plus f of 2y minus 4xy. Exactly right. F of x plus 2y minus f of x, let us write here f of x is equal to f of 2y plus 4xy divided by 2y. Divided by 2y. So this is f of x plus 2y minus f of x whole by 2y. What he is asking, first of all, f of x plus 2y, he given everything. F of x plus 2y, f of x plus 2y minus x. This is 2y by f of 2y by 2y plus this is 2x. So let us consider this one now 2x plus, you can write this one as 0 plus 2y. F of 0 plus 2y minus f of 0, because f of 0 is nothing but 0, we are creating the formula by 2y. So this is 2x plus f dash of 0. 2x plus f dash of 0. Now f dash of x we are getting. This is the formula. Once again you can understand the formula f of x plus h minus f of x by h is f dash x. So this is f dash x. Put x is equal to 1. This mistake I done previously. This is f dash x. According to formula, limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x whole by h. So whatever the value exists here, the value 2y exists here. So you can understand directly f dash x. F dash x formula we got as 2x plus f dash 0. Put x is equal to 1 now. So f dash 1 is equal to 2 plus, according to our options. According to option, we are verifying f dash of 0. Now, f dash 0 is given. Therefore, f dash 0 is equal to f dash 1 minus 2. F dash 0 is equal to f dash 1 minus 2. Option 4 is right answer. Okay, students, we have successfully completed level 2 in this class. Let us discuss some previous mains questions and some important questions in level 3 in next class.